Are reposts not working on the Threads app? If you can't repost posts, the reposts button is missing. Reposts aren't appearing on your profile, or your posts fail to publish. It can affect how you share content with others. In this video, I will show you how to fix reposts on Threads app. First thing you have to do is to go to Threads. Then here in this page, you will go to this window of profile. Then you will tap on above here. You will find this page. You will go to notifications. You will move to read threads and replies, and here we click on reposts. You will find the window of reposts. Here you can manage it and fix problems.